So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use PayPal as payment method on Canva. After you open the canva.com, so go to this profile, your profile. After you go to your profile, go to settings. So from this option now, scroll to down, go to billing. So under the billing, scroll to down. If you don't have any payment method before, it will give you option where it says add details like this one. So if you have payment method already, now you want to change it, just click on the change button or click on the add payment method button. So from the option, so here it will ask you to use a credit card. So first, after you open this option now, go to this go to your browser and type in this PayPal card apply. So it will give you this website. Open this first website. So after you open the first website, now here is website. So all you have to do now, just click on this option. So click on this get the card button. So click on the get the card button. From there, it will ask you to log in into your PayPal account. After you log in into your PayPal account, from there they will give you a credit card like this one. So after you get the credit card, they'll give you virtually, or if you want, you can get the virtual card, or you can get the physical card. They'll ship it to you to your location from wherever you are in the world. So you can just use the virtual one is the best method because you can get the virtual immediately. So after you get the virtual card from the PayPal account like this one, so just go back to your Canva. So from this option, now back to in your details. After you put your name, your email address, and use as your payment method on the Canva. Hope this video helps and satisfy. Thanks, meet in the next one.